thing you should know about me is that there are two things I love in this world, and that is Supernatural and slime videos. See, the thing is with slime, I'm obsessed with it. It's become a problem. It's just like I'm watching slime videos every day, every minute, every second. Just before this video, I was watching a slime video. Just, I don't know what it is. It's just so satisfying when they just touch it, and then when they just, it's just satisfying to me, and I don't know why. So I thought, why not create my own? Yep. Like any sane person that would do their obsession, they do it on your own. So I got a couple of things, as you can see. Borax, yeah, clear, and these are just white glue. I know it looks ugly, I just color it. I was just really bored, so, but I'm gonna use this. I got buckets and all that. And see, the thing is, when I was looking for a spoon, I found a fork. I was like, you know what, might as well use it. Then I found this. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so now, unlike some other YouTubers, I actually search up how to do this. And I'm like, and I already know how to do it anyways by watching the slime videos anyways. So apparently you're supposed to put borax with water, mix it all together, and then just put glue, and then it works, I guess. I don't know. So let's just get started. I'm just gonna use the first glue that I don't care about. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so now unfortunately I don't have any color, so it's gonna be the color of the glue inside. So wait, why is it? Do you see that? Oh my god. Wow, I just started this video and it's already going wrong terribly. Wow. Hey, I can use that as a title. Slime video gone wrong. It's not coming out. Oh my god. Should I just cut this open? It's not coming out. Well, while I'm doing this, how are you guys? You guys have a good day? Are you guys on spring break? Because I know I am. Is your spring break about to start? Oh, for the love of God, just work. It's like it won't. It's like something is dripping down and just won't come out. This is what you get when you don't touch glue for a month. Hey, I don't need to make slime. I just made my own slime. It is literally slime, and I didn't even try it yet. It smells pretty bad, though. It's like it's constipated. Like it wants to come out, but it won't come out. It won't come out. I'm so annoyed. Maybe if I just stay there, you peasant. Maybe if I can just. It's like cream cheese and mozzarella cheese mixed in both. So that was a fail. Let's go else. So I'm just gonna try this second glue and see if it works or not. Maybe I should just mix it first before. Where's my fork? Mix. If you are having trouble with glue, just mix it together. Crap, now I can't use this. Oh well, let's continue. See, it looks like rotten cheese, bro. It smells really bad. I don't know where my slime addiction has started. I really don't. I swear one day I was just watching slime video that, hey, this is cool how people make it, you know, and stuff like that. And then a year later, I watch it every single day. It helps me sleep. It helps me relax. It's so satisfying. This is done. Okay. Tap over the works. Let's see. I was gonna get whatever it's called that they put the thing together. It's gonna the activator, the thing that activates it. Okay, so I was gonna get that, and I was like, you know what? No. We're gonna actually try to make it. We're not gonna cheat. We're gonna actually try to make it. You know. So I got this thing, but I should have gotten a small one. I'm not trying to make a slime business, but you never know. If this goes well, I can make it. Okay, so yeah. Here's the little thing that opens. Is this still pressed? Me with life. Oh my god. Put that over there. Wait, first I'm just gonna like mix it. See how that is? Look at that already. I haven't even done anything that's already like that. Okay, so back to this. It says to press open. Press here, but it's not opening. I just want to make slime. Yeah, whoever made this company, you need to fix your packaging because it ain't opening. I brought a knife to help me. By the way, if you're a kid and an adult and you're the kids, it's everywhere. And I didn't even open it yet. Instead of saying if you're kids, please have an adult with you just in case you don't want to get poisoned or anything. Imagine I do a slime video and I get poisoned for the first time. Why am I doing this? I feel scared doing this. I know I'm an adult, but I'm terrified of doing this. Maybe that'll help. Okay, I finally got it open. I put it right in my mouth. So I'm just gonna mix it all around. Oh, I forgot water. Got water. Okay, let's just put it inside. Okay. Now, it said to like needle it, like just touch it like a dough or something. The thing is, I don't want to touch it. So I'm just gonna mix it around. This better work. It smells really bad. It smells really bad. Oh my god. How people can stand this while they're making slime. It smells terrible. So this is what I've been doing for the past 2 minutes and I don't know why, but I'm getting disgusted by touching this. I take it back. I don't want my own slime. I'm on it doesn't even smell like glue anymore. And glue doesn't even smell that bad though. I regret this video now. I don't want to do this anymore. You know, I give props to slime makers and people who make slime. Like, I give you props, man. Like, this is a lot of work that you gotta do. I'm gonna touch it. Touch it. Touch it. feel so wrong touching it. I don't know why, but I feel so wrong. I'm never disgusted by anything. I'll watch anything bloody, medical, anything. I'll watch anything that's disgusting. I'm fine with it. But this is grossing me out. Like, I want to actually throw off of it. Did you hear that? It literally, ew. I don't listen to slime videos with the sound on because I don't know. I feel like it doesn't sound good at all. I just watch it while they do it and love it. This looks like rotten cheese. Can you hear it? I mean, like, I think I overactivate it. You know what I mean? I heard that's like a... so this is my first attempt at slime. So it's not bad. I feel like I did something wrong. I just don't know what. So let's see if it bounces. It bounces. I think I just made into a ball instead. Have you ever made slime? If so, tell me down in the comments below of your experience. Just tell me what you think about slime. Have you tried to make it? Just something. Just write slime. Here's that. Just write slime in the comments. But I can feel the borax inside. Maybe there's some specific borax I have to use. I don't know. Comment down below what I did wrong, because I generally don't know what I did wrong. Am I supposed to add more water, more borax, more glue? I don't know. Here's the thing. That was a fail. The first slime was a fail. I'll admit that. I'm not gonna lie. I was actually pretty upset that I failed it, but I'm not giving up. No. I don't give up until I try like 3 times. So this is the second time I'm gonna try it.